Brecky Breck, and today I'm at Wash World in Vancouver, Washington. Wash World is a laundromat, and Uncle Teddy here needs a bath. I love my teddy bear, but sometimes he gets a little bit dirty. So we're gonna go inside and give him a wash. Come on, let's go! Washer machines. See them? They go way back there. Okay, well, we have to figure out what size of machine to put Uncle Teddy in. So let's see here. Ooh, we have a small washing machine, a medium washing machine, and a large washing machine. I think Uncle Teddy, well, I don't think he's gonna fit in a small machine. Look how tiny that is. I think we're gonna go with a big one. Okay, Uncle Teddy, are you ready? Ugh. Open this here. Okay, going in. Get his bottom in there, get his feet in there. Okay, then we shut that really tight and we lock it like this. Unlocked, locked. See that? Then we take some soap, pour a little cup of detergent, open it up. Liquid detergent goes into this one. Perfect! Put the cap back on like this. Okay, now we have to pay for him to be washed. Look at this! I get to use a card to swipe. There it goes. Now it's paying for the quick wash. Okay, and all he has to do is start now. Okay, Uncle Teddy. Time for a bath. Sometimes when you're waiting for your laundry, you have to have some patience. So while we're waiting, how about we dance? Come on. On Teddy. How you doing in there, Mr. Teddy? Oh boy, he's getting all soapy and wet. 11 minutes left. That's not very long at all. Only 1 minute left. Oh boy, it looks like Uncle Teddy's all done. Time for a dry. How was your ride, Uncle Teddy? You ready to get dry now? Boy, you gotta tug him out. Oh, he's ready. Let's put him back in this basket and roll him over to the dryers. Come on. Oh boy. Okay, so in order to start the dryer, we're gonna need some quarters. Look at this. I have a $1 bill and I'm gonna get some change. So you just put the dollar in here and the coins are gonna pop out at the bottom. Ooh. 4 quarters equals $1. Okay, Teddy, it's time to get dry now. This big dryer, and now it's time to dry Teddy. So we're gonna pick him up. Oh, this is really big, Teddy. I think you're gonna have fun in here. Okay. Now, you take your quarters and you put them right up here. And once I put them in, it's just gonna start. I think 12 minutes will do the trick. We'll check on Teddy in a minute. As much as that looks like a lot of fun, don't ever play in or around a washer or a dryer, okay? They can be really dangerous. Like Uncle Teddy's all done. How was that, Teddy? Oh boy, he sure is warm and cozy. I love it when things are fresh out of the dryer. They're all warm and snuggly. Well, it looks like it's time to go. Come on. Time to go. Oh boy. All right. Bye-bye. Oh wow. That sure was fun. And Uncle Teddy is so fresh and clean now. Thanks for joining me at Wash World here in Vancouver, Washington. Bye.